How to see birthdays on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see your friends' birthdays on Snapchat. Snapchat doesn't give you an option to view others' birthday date, but if it is the birthday, then you'll get notified about it in your notification bar, receiving a notification saying it's their birthday. But if you don't get one, if you open the app and you get an interface like this and head over to your profile and here go to friends. Now if it's someone's birthday, then you'll get a little cake icon beside the name. Now since it's no one's birthday on my friend list, you can see that nobody has a birthday icon beside their name. The other thing is, if I open up the profile and if it's their birthday, you'll get a little it's their birthday charm on their charms. So this way you can know it's their birthday. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.